Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
The next morning.
Medyo buntag. Wala ako sa mood ngayon. Dahil last video ko, diba? Si Banana hindi pa umuwi. Alam niyo ba kung anong oras na siya nakauwi? 2 o'clock sa buntag. Kaya ngayon, wala akong tulog. Kasi maaga din siyang umalis. Wala akong tulog kasi nag-waiting ako sa kanya ng waiting hanggang 2 o'clock in the morning. Lazy ako ngayon. Wala ako sa mood magluto. Wala ako sa mood maglinis sa bahay, maglaba, etc. Si Banana, wala din siyang tulog ba? Umalis siya, mga 7 o'clock sa buntag. Hindi na nga yun kumain ng breakfast. Nagkape lang, tinimplahan ko lang siya. Nagtanong ako sa kanya, baka mag-load shedding na naman kasi may apps siya ba na alam niya kung mag-load shedding or hindi. Kung nasa ako sa mood, maglaba ako. Ay, life nga naman. Napagod ako. Hindi pa nga ako nakahugas. Ang dami kong hugason. Di madak smile. Maghugas muna ako, mga ka-earnbeam. Nagutom ako. Wala pa akong kauno. Gabi nagkaon ako. Kay gigusla ko. Di madaog shik-shik ra. Diba nagkain ako ng shik-shik. Yung last video ko nga. Nag-shake lang ako, ganun kasi nga nag-diet pati si Banana. Ay, gigutom ko May rice ako na naka-freezer, tapos yung sinigang. Ay, ininit ko at kinain ko mga alas 10 ng gabi. Nagkutoy yung ti dyan. So karon gigutom na pug ko di mada. Bahala nagnanambok na ko basta kan kaon ko da, bahala na. Ang akong kanon is bread. Yan, bread. And then, ang partner is cheese. Cheese. Ito na cheese. You know. Isara akong kuhaon i-partner sa bread. Nag-chat si Banana sa akin na alas 10 pa daw yung load shedding. So, kain muna ako tapos maglaba na lang ako Pero sinabihan ko siya na hindi muna ako magluto today kay murag nang hina ako Kulang kasi ako sa tulog. May ako dito, salin ba na shake kagabi. So, inom din ako nito tapos bread. Ito na ang aking bread. Pasensya na hindi ako nag-bra. Pajama pa ako. Labahan ko din tong pajama ko ba. Kay murag pila na ni kaadlaw. Di pa ako naka-change. Di naman ako pumunta sa labas. Walay abog. Kain muna tayo. Gusla agad ko ba? Wala na nagkadimao. Basta yun na yun. Kain. Nag-dry yung shake ko. Nagyan ko ng milk. Kaunti kay. Man siya Dry na dry. Hindi ko alam. Kulang sa milk. Nagtipid kasi ako sa milk. Yummy. Kulang pa yung bread ko. Hindi kasi yung isa. Hindi kaya mag-diet as in gutom kurog. Dami siya ng bread. Fresh ba? May bakery kasi dito. Masarap siya. Na cheese. Kaso mahal Kuan sod. Or 5-6 lang. Kasi kinuhaan to ni Banana kagabi. Sa akin isa. 4 na lang ang nabilin. 6 inside pero mahal. Tipid-tipid. Sa dalawang bread, isa lang na ganito. Dapat sa isa. Isang bread, isang ganito. Pero sarap. Kasi nagtipid. Tapos na ako nag-hi-hi. Ang init sa labas. My goodness, dito sa loob malamig man. Siguro pag winter dito, sobrang lamig sa loob. Nag-change ako ng hapin ba? Ito din. Alam niyo ba kung ano to? Habol to. Ito din. Wala na kasi kaming cover ba sa mga lamisa. So yan na lang ginamit ko Hindi naman namin to ginamit. Kay maliit ba? Hindi ko alam kung ano ang Tagalog ng habol. Kumot. Kumot pala.
Nag-walking kami ni Banana Olala. Sa dihang nairo.
This house is a nice thing.
Si Banana oh.
This house.
Hapon na diri ah. Alas 6 na kapin sa hapon pero lamdag pa. May small coffee pala dito. Ngayon pa lang namin alam ni Banana. Easy peasy lang. Baktasun. Park Mini Mark.
There we go.
May simbahan pa.
Christelijke centrum.
Oh, malaking simbahan.
Dit is aan die kant.
Tapos plaza. So yan yung bahay namin oh.
So I think the visit
Malapit
service
lang.
is the visit
May
service.
for sale na kuan oh, lupa.
We
Hey!
buy it and then we plant vegetables here. Okay. Alright.
Ito yung handy house, yung sabi ko sa inyo na maingay no? Pag mag-brand out kay palaging nagpa ng generator kay lagi furniture shop ni. So ito yung likod sa aming bahay. Ang cute ng pusa. Ming! Hi! Scooter pa more. Maraming nag-scooter din. Mga dalagita. Nasa bahay na kami. So tignan nyo. Ang mini mark is nasa kuan lang pala. Diyan oh. Yan na bahay. Mini mark yan. Ngayon pa lang namin alam ni Banana ba. Kung wa mi nagbaktas-baktas karon. Bigla kaming nagutom. Si Banana first time niyang magluto dito sa bahay. No? Magluto siya ng meatloaf. Lagyan niya ng rice kasi may leftover kami. Itlog. Para lang siyang fried rice, no? Pero may meatloaf. Chip cook. Akong pinalanggang banana. We are eating outside.
On our veranda. Our porch. There are many names for it.
Ito ang ginawa ni Banana, oh. Tapos yung leftover namin na sinigang. Of course, Barrio Pista. Ilalagay ko sa aking kanin. Kainan na. Rice is life.
You see, you just wanted to take it away. You put it on your side that I can't get. I know you. And I feel a little bit of soup. See, Filipino food is the best, okay? Look. Delicious. Look. It's spiders in the food.
Kangkong. Kain sa kangkong. Numusok.
Okay. Enough. Yeah, I must be in the mood. It's an ikan. No, the first one you made the other day was too sour. This one you toned it down a little bit. You didn't make it so sour, yeah.
Because I put a lot.
Very delicious. Cheers to our first meal on our little veranda, stoop, porch, whatever you want to call it. I must say it's lovely weather. A little bit of humidity, but it gets a bit cooler in Dispatch because we now live in Dispatch. Dispatch, Eastern Cape. That still falls under Greater Port Elizabeth, the city itself, but we live in Dispatch. It's very Afrikaans. I think I've met one English-speaking person so far, and that was at the OK Bazaar's grocer. And we were talking away in Afrikaans until she said, no, but because I said I'm from Cape Town, and this place is very Afrikaans. She said, but I'm English-speaking, and we changed from Afrikaans to English. There's two English-speaking people speaking Afrikaans. Senegal. It's a bad boy. Sometimes Senegal is like curry. If you leave it for a day or two,
Nice.
even better. This is like a corned beef hash that I made. It's a little bit of this and a little bit of that. But basically you use corned beef, corned meat, and rice and onion and egg and different spices. Could have been a little bit spicier, but not bad. Supper tonight is quite delicious. for it. And it took us what, total of like
Simple meal.
20 minutes to make. Well, the
Efficient.
sinigang was made the other day, but the corned beef hash or whatever you want to call it, flood rice dish, took about 20 minutes, if that.
I eat a lot banana.
You always do, honey. You eat way more than me. Okay. She eats very fast, so you know I'm still like trying to catch up to her, and then I look again and I go, "Oh, the plates are empty. Where did the food go?" The baboy girl is in her tummy. Eat my honey. You know I eat enough anyway. Don't be shy. Must finish it.
Full now.
Not full.
Puno na.
She's just acting, okay? She's not full. She wants to eat this. She's now just being polite for the camera, okay? If the camera was off, that would already been in her tummy. I know it. Come on, honey. Help me out here. I can't eat it all. Okay? Yeah, make it half. Must say that all this sinigang tonight is delicious. But it's like any food, you must be in the mood to eat it.
I ate a lot that one last night.
Last night I ate nothing. I think the last time I ate, well, the first time I ate was this morning at around about 10 o'clock, I think.
Ate the one ba all man?
I've had enough. Seriously, it's such a simple meal. It just was delicious. And the setting is so nice. But this Sunday, I want to go look for fish because I want to fry fish. Oh. I haven't had a fried fish in a long time. The last time we had fried fish was in PE. That was like 9 months ago.
Long time ago. Thank you.
Easily
Paspasan
9
mo eh.
months.
Ubos lahat oh. Ilok.